Zaber offers a wide range of time-saving and cost-effective motorized XY microscope stages for upgrading existing systems, building custom systems, and as part of our Nucleus automated microscope platform. Choose from a selection of speeds, repeatabilities, and sample holding capacities. With a wide range of travel options, Zaber microscope stages are ideal for slide and microplate scanning, live cell imaging, silicon wafer inspection, and more. Install your Zaber stage in minutes. Mounting kits for Nikon, Zeiss, Leica, and Olympus microscopes are in stock today. Custom mounts are available upon request. Zaber's ASR stepper motor-driven stages deliver exceptional value with scanning capacities up to 6 microplates, or a 300 mm wafer, with a maximum speed of 85 mm per second. Zaber's ADR direct drive stages deliver ultimate performance with movements as small as 50 nanometers and speeds up to 750 mm per second. Their 1 nanometer resolution optical encoders provide high repeatability and excellent stability for long-duration imaging. They are ideal for high throughput applications with their virtually unlimited lifespan. Setting up and controlling Zaber stages is easy and intuitive, thanks to their integrated controllers, simple USB connections, free Zaber software, and optional joystick controllers. Automate sample positioning with InScoper, VisiView, or Micromanager software, or with our comprehensively documented Zaber Motion Library API. The ZML API is available for popular languages including Python, C++, C#, and LabVIEW, and is backed up with a library of example code. Our standard lead times of under 1 week will get you up and running quickly. Try our stages risk-free with our 30-day trial period. You also have the support of our applications engineering team, who will be able to answer your questions within 1 business day. For more information about Zaber's microscope stages and our Nucleus microscopy platform and subsystems, visit us online at zaber.com.